Hello students, we are just go through with the chapter principle of inheritance and variation, and we are continue with the linkage here. In a previous video we just talk about complete linkage. So in this video we just talk about incomplete linkage. Here what's the meaning of incomplete linkage? As we have discussed in our previous videos, when two genes on a chromosome, gene A and gene B, are linked, when two genes on a chromosome present, then they are called as linked gene. And when the distance between two genes are more, then we can say here that it's easier to separate them during crossing over. So that's why we are just do an example. On a chromosome, two genes present apart from each other. That's the example is I, color of Drosophila, and wings size. Here the eye color is red eye dominant over white eye. Here red eye dominant over white eye, and normal wings dominant over miniature wings. Normal wings dominant over miniature wings, as we did in the previous section of a complete linkage. Then here red color, we denote red color as W positive and red with W, whereas normal wings represented by M positive and miniature represented by M. Here M positive and W positive both are dominant character, and we represent dominant character with a plus sign here. So we just do a cross. In this cross, it's a female, and we know that chromosomes are present, or genes are present on a X chromosome, or it's a cross of sex related chromosomes. It's a male. It's a centromere, the chromosome, and now one gene present on this side and another gene present on this side. And a male we represent with dominant characters, means W positive and M positive, means a male with wings and eye color is a red and a wings is a normal wing, whereas in a female that's a white eye color with miniature wings. These are parents here, gametes, We are not representing a centromere, we are just representing the genes on chromosome. Representing the gene, gamete with rounded structure. Clear is that? These are the gametes. Now F1 generation here, and the F1 generation is this one crossed with this, means the egg with recessive character crossed with the sperm with dominant character. And here the egg with the recessive characters crossed with the sperm with a Y character, representing here the genes, W representing here the white eye color, and M representing here the miniature wing. W positive is representing here the red eye color, and M positive representing here the normal wings. This one also with a recessive character, white eye and miniature wings. Here these are the F1 generation. We just do a cross with F2 generation here. We just do a cross with F2 generation. So what we have to do? Self crossing of F1 generation. Self crossing of F1 generation. Now, before doing the cross, we just identify the gametes here. Here the gametes of male are X and a Y, and X having the characteristic but Y haven't any gene for this. Whereas here one gamete is W M from this one, and one gamete is W positive M positive for this one. We used it with a circular form. Now these two lower one, just assuming these are the resultant of recombination or a crossing over in a gamete when during cell division. So we just assume this one is with white eye, normal wings, and red eye, miniature wings. Miniature wings here. Red eye, miniature wings here. We just do a circle. Here. Here 4 gametes are formed. 2 from the parental gametes. These 2 are parental gametes. And last 2 are recombinant gametes. Clear is that? And male, these 2 are parental gametes here. We just do a cross of F2 generation. We make a square, Punnett square for this. In this first one, here we put male gametes, and on this side female gametes are. Just mark it. X chromosome with recessive character means white eye with miniature wings. Here first gamete, white eye with miniature wings. Second gamete, red eye with normal wings. Third recombinant, white eye with normal wings. And the last one, red eye with miniature wings. Now, here this one crossed with this. This one crossed with this means the sperm crossed with this egg and a form this character with both are recessive in nature. First one is the eye color, white eye with miniature wing, as in this white eye with miniature wing here. White eye with miniature wing here. The next one, wait. This one, the color. From above side. From above side, we just notified that white eye miniature wing, and here red eye normal wings. White eye miniature wing, white eye normal wings here. Here from sperm, white eye miniature wing, and from the egg red eye miniature wings. From the other side, we firstly draw all of these. Here the sperms are without any kind of character. With this, we just note down the characteristics of egg only. It's a white eye with miniature wing, red eye with normal wing, white eye with normal wings, red eye with miniature wings here. So just do the cross with the characters in both of these chromosomes. There is no dominant character here, all are recessive characters, so that's why the characteristic or the phenotype is white eye miniature wing, white eye miniature wing here in eye color. This one is recessive, this one is dominant. So the phenotype is a dominant character here, means red eye. And in both of these, it's a normal wing. Here, both of these are recessive. So the characteristic of phenotype is white eye, and in both of these the characteristic is with dominant character, means normal wing. In both of these the characteristic with dominant character means red eye, and in this miniature wing here. And other condition, this one, we know very well there is a X chromosome or a sex-linked characters. So there is no characteristic with a Y chromosome. So the characteristic with only X chromosome here. So it's a white eye, miniature wing, red eye, normal wing, white eye, normal wing, red eye, miniature wing here. And this characteristic all over we concluded here. These two are the parental structures. These two are the parental structure, whereas these two are the recombinant structure here. This recombinant structure, note it down. Recombinant parental. And this, the recombinant is 37.3%, means all over it's a 0.7 to 6%. Here recombinant gene are more, that's a 37.3%. 37.3% or 37 point, it's a 2% and it's a 37.2%, and in complete dominance the ratio is 1.3%. In incomplete dominance the recombinant DNA, recombinant characters are more. The reason is that, as we discussed, gene A and gene B in a complete linkage, they are closely related or more linkage, and having more linkage than a less recombination here. And in second case, gene A, gene B and a gene C here. We just counted here, not to be write a gene B here. Now the distance between gene A and gene C is more, means less recombination, and less recombination means more recombination probability here. So what we have to do in this, we do incomplete dominance with the eye color and wings, normal, miniature wing. Eye color red eye and white eye. Red color represented by W positive. Positive will represent here the dominant character. Y represented by W. Normal wings represented by M positive, and a miniature represented by M only here. In this cross, we just do the cross with a female and a male. In a female, they are having a recessive character and a male having all positive characters or all dominant character here. The gametes from this are one from the both of these gametes transfer to the egg, means the female is homozygous here, form only one kind of eggs, whereas male form two type of egg, that's with the help of chromosome, means X chromosome and a Y chromosome, and these characters are linked on only X chromosomes as we have discussed. And X chromosome means it's a sex chromosome. So in F1 generation, the egg fused with the other sperm with the same XX, means the generation is a female, and when X fused with Y, then the generation is a male here. Then what will happen? We just crossed F2 generation, that's the self crossing of F1. Before doing the cross, we just find out the gametes or the components of the gametes here. The gametes are the parental type, means this from this one, W and M. We just write it here. And this one, W positive and M positive, write it here. But in the second case, it should be that there is a crossing over here between these two. So when crossing over here, then one chromosome form or one gamete form with a reverse characteristic, means here that's a white eye color. It is also white eye color. There is a M, means there is a wing structure, there is a miniature wing, or there is a normal wing here. But in the second case, it is also reversal condition. That is W positive and M positive, means red eye with normal wing, and here red eye with miniature wing. We also do the gametic formation of this characteristic, and in this characteristic or the male chromosome, that's a one with X and one with Y here. In this cross, F2 generation, we crossed with a male and a female. Here we note down the male characteristics of all, and here we note down the female characteristics of all. In a male characteristic, there is X chromosome and a Y chromosome. X chromosome with recessive characters, means wings, eye color white eye and a miniature wing. And a female characteristic on a X chromosome link, that is, note down with this. That's a white eye miniature wing, white eye miniature wing, red eye normal wing, white eye normal wing, red eye miniature wing. We just crossed all of these here and find out the result, and the resultant is that this one result of the phenotype is a white eye miniature wing, and a male also white eye miniature wing. Female red eye normal wing, here male red eye normal wing. Here all of these are the female characteristics we note down here. There's a female, all generation are male from this line and all generation are female from this line. There's a white eye normal wings, red eye miniature wing or red eye miniature wing here. Here last fours are the recombinant generations or with the help of recombinant chromosome, as we have discussed here, and the ratio is 37, the percentage is 37.2%, 1.3% means, sorry, 37.2% in an incomplete dominance, sorry, incomplete linkage here, sorry, and parental combination is 62.8% here, and the recombinant characteristics are more because they are linked on a chromosome with less linkage here, means the distance between two genes on a chromosome are more as compared to the other genes. In the next video we will discuss about chromosomal theory of inheritance.